Hello everyone, this is free daily current affair test. Friends, answer to these questions here. Today many important issues were there in the newspaper. The first question is, which of the following statements are correct? PM Janman aims to ensure the holistic development of particularly vulnerable tribal groups, PVTG. Odisha is home to 13 of the 75 PVTGs identified across India. The answer is option C. Both 1 and 2, both the statements are correct. PM Janman means Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan. So that is the abbreviation is PM Janman with ample financial outlay. The news is the substantial allocation of 24,000 crore for the 23-24 to 25-26 period. PM Janman aims to ensure the holistic development of the PVTGs in 18 states and union territories. Now, Odisha has the largest number of tribal communities in India. Madhya Pradesh has the largest population of tribal groups. Odisha has the largest number of tribal communities. The Odisha, home to 13 of the 75 PVTGs identified across India, is likely to receive a significant portion of these funds, particularly vulnerable tribal group. So educationally, socially, and economically, and many other things. Many tribal groups, they cannot access the facilities in the mainstream. So we have identified 75 tribal groups as particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Okay. Then, so it was in the news. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Gaganyaan mission? It is an unmanned spacecraft to be placed in the orbit of Moon around the Earth. The mission aims to bringing the celestial objects collected by the craft back safely to Earth by landing them in sea waters. Answer is option D. Neither one nor two. Both the statements are wrong actually. The mission is the manned spacecraft to the space. Okay. ISRO and Navy carry out recovery trials for Gaganyaan mission. That was in the news. The Gaganyaan program envisages demonstration of human spaceflight capability by launching a crew of 3 members to an orbit of 400 kilometers for a 3-day mission and bringing them back safely to the Earth by landing them in sea waters. So that was in the news. Then, which of the following are stealth frigates under construction for the Indian Navy by Russia? INS Tasil, INS Tamal. Answer is option C. Both 1 and 2. Both are actually the INS Tasil that was commissioned at Kaliningrad by Rajnath Singh yesterday is the first of the 2 stealth frigates under construction for the Indian Navy in Russia. The INS Tamal, the second frigate expected to be delivered to India in the next year, will likely be the last warship, not submarine, that Russia will construct for India. All warships are now manufactured domestically. Okay. Then, which of the following are correct regarding the PM Poshan scheme? The scheme provides one hot cooked meal to the students from class 1 to 8 in government and government aided schools. It was earlier popularly known as midday meal scheme. It is a centrally sponsored scheme. Answer is option D. C. 1, 2, and 3. All the 3 statements are correct. The news is that Center has announced the additional cost of 425 crore on account of inflation in food material cost under the centrally sponsored PM Poshan scheme in the financial year 24-25. So that was in the news. Which of the following statements are correct? Currently in India, 85% of the energy used in the steel sector comes from coal. India has set 2030 as the target for achieving net zero emissions, 2 decades later than what scientists recommend to avoid catastrophic climate impacts. The answer is 1 only. Second statement is wrong. The target here is actually the 2070. PM has fixed 2070 as the target for achieving net zero emissions, not 2030. And we have given the statement that 2 decades later, in 2010, we had discussed about the climate finance. We had not fixed the target surely. So the 2030 is surely wrong. Okay. Through this you can guess. So option is option A, 1 only. Okay. So to evaluate your current affair preparation, please take the daily current affair test available at www.geodemy.in. And if you have any doubt, you can call or WhatsApp to this number. The number is 9003777380 8489 777 380. And if you need any other videos for GS or any other concepts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you all.